Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the live wallpaper file is high resolution and saved locally, then open your phone's wallpapers or the live wallpaper app. Once done, navigate straight to the wallpapers settings panel and turn off any auto-compress or optimize features that reduce quality. Make sure you choose the full-size image instead of a cropped preview. This prevents upscaling blur. You'll proceed now to adjust playback and scaling so the animation stays sharp in use. Next, you refine how the wallpaper is rendered. Set scaling to 100% or choose Fit to Screen instead of stretching, because stretching creates blur. Then check animation options and turn off excessive smoothing or frame blending that can smear details. You want crisp frames. Make sure the app uses GPU rendering or a high-performance mode so frames are drawn cleanly. Once these are set, preview the live wallpaper and look closely for sharp edges and proper aspect ratio. Finish by saving your wallpaper settings and applying the live wallpaper to the lock or home screen, then inspect it in normal use. If it still looks blurry, reboot the device to clear any cached low-res thumbnails. If problems persist, test another confirmed high-res live wallpaper to determine if the asset or the app is at fault. Make sure to clear the wallpaper app cache or reinstall the wallpaper app as a final step. This often fixes stubborn downscaling or rendering bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.